Well, it was another cold and cloudy morning this morning, but what about the rest of the day? Bob Anthony's here with an answer for us.
Well, that time lapse of the clouds parting was so nice. I think I'll show it again, full screen for Boise. Inversion weaker late in the week, cloudy and cold. That's what we started with. But some sunshine east of Boise has spread our way. And our next storm Thursday and Friday, that is what will break our inversion. A series of waves of moisture moving in. You'll see that on our Futurecast. This is starting at 6 o'clock. This is a time-lapse view from the camera out at the airport. Still quite a few clouds out there, but not as thick and overcast as it was earlier, but still pretty chilly down here in the city. We have still a bit of cloud cover out there. 14 degrees, and we won't warm up a whole lot from there. Winds at 9 miles per hour, humidity at 88%, and the feels-like temperature is 2 degrees with that wind. Even a wind of 9 miles per hour makes it feel even colder. Here's a look at some of our temperatures. Many of these were below zero during our morning show. We're in the single digits still in Stanley, also McCall, and a few single-digit readings in Burley. And that looks like the last one. Most locations here in the teens or pretty close to 20 degrees. Forecasting a high of 21. I told you we wouldn't warm up a whole lot. 20 degrees below normal as far as the high, and the overnight low will be on the chilly side at 19 for this Tuesday, December the 1st. Here is our weather scenario. We have a storm system back east, another storm system along the northwest coast, a ridge of high pressure in between, and this high pressure in the wintertime between Thanksgiving and Valentine's Day often equals inversion conditions, and that's what we have. But we need a storm system to break down that inversion, and I think we'll get one. You can see the low cloud showing up on the radar map, not quite as widespread, so we're seeing some breaks in those clouds and a little bit more sunshine, but still some cloud cover. Here's our Futurecast. This is what's going on above the low clouds and the inversion conditions. We'll see clouds on the increase early Wednesday morning, a chance of some rain and snow later in the morning on Wednesday, and then another shot right here on Thursday, early Thursday morning, and another shot here on Friday. And between those three, it'll work on that inversion, break it down a bit, and hopefully we'll see some much warmer temperatures here in the valley and not as much cloud cover. But here it is, our high-resolution Futurecast. There's Wednesday morning in the early morning hours, some clouds moving in with some snow and rain real close by. It looks like mostly rain. Initially, it might be some snow or maybe even some freezing rain further to the west. And then on Friday, also in the morning, another disturbance moving in for a chance of some rain and snow here in the valley. Mainly rain. It'll be warm enough by then. Mostly sunny skies. Twin Falls only in the teens today. Warmer in Sun Valley than the Magic Valley. And for McCall and Cascade, look at those highs in the mid to upper 20s, comparable to what we'll have here in the valley, even though they're higher in elevation, but they're not dealing with an inversion up there. Cloudy skies for the western end of the valley, cloudy for Canyon County. You probably won't clear out as well as Boise does, but we start off with cloudy skies this morning, and we're looking at mostly sunny, or at least a mixture of sun and clouds later in the day. And then mostly cloudy again and chilly on Wednesday with the inversion holding strong, but then it starts to weaken with those disturbances moving in. Notice our temperatures increasing from the 20s into the 40s right at the normal mark by Friday, and a chance of rain and snow on Friday and also favoring Monday. That's Look at Weather.